Okay. Where are you going? Okay, this is what you do. Hey! You came back late. And now you are sneaking out. Now, you want to go out, Abi? Eh? Shit. Oga, it is me and you today. We will tie one wrapper in this house. Because of you, I slept on the couch, waiting for you all through the night. You have gone now. See how you are smelling nyash nyash. All those women, they have used you, dumped you, washed you. And now you are back to the house. You want to sneak out again. Where did you go last night?
I came back, you were sleeping.
I was sleeping and you could not wake me up. For what? What time did you come back? Anoze, I am asking you. What time did you come back? Okay, this is what you do now. Eh? Just small quarrel like this. Small fight, oh. Let me correct all this your bad behavior that you have. Bam! You ran to my parents the last time. Now, the new one you have learnt now is to be going outside, be sneaking out. I'm going to meet all those small girls. So, why? No, I'm asking you.
Is something wrong with you?
Are you sure you are ill? Let me check. Are you sure there is this scrotum here? Because I still ask you again, are you a man?
Is something wrong with you? Were you not the one that ran to your parents first and report us? What kind of a woman pick a fight with her husband all the time? Emily Game, is something wrong with you? You challenge your husband at every given time. You are lazy. Beautiful without brains.
Jesus.
I don't know. Look at you. You are so useless. A girl I picked from the village, from the gutters, and now you are looking quite okay and you feel you can talk to me anyhow. Is something wrong with you? Is this village mentality disturbing you? Huh? I ask you again. Go out there. See how other ladies pamper their husband. Treat their husbands. Care for them. And you're here always picking quarrel, fighting, shouting the whole building down. Why not make it easy? If you try this next time, you will see the other side of me. Now get out of my... Get out!
How was it? Hi, Kawawa Mobi Ochimo. Mua. If a booty. Village girl. Hi. Me that was hot in the village. Mua cannot in a village girl. Hi. Beauty without brain. It means I'm a stupid person. Eh?
Living with enemy. If we go not be mad in joy.
I need to upgrade. Why is he still looking at me like a village girl? I need to upgrade.
I have the prescription from the doctor.
I cannot go and collect the drugs in the evening. I don't have any money with me, and we are even owing the doctor.
How much are we owing him?
5,000 naira.
5,000 naira?
Yes.
Okay. This is 7,000 naira. Pay for what we are owing him and then use the rest to buy the drugs.
Then you told me in the morning you had no money with you.
And I had small in the house. And then my in-law sent me some money.
Your in-law sent you some money? That reminds me. Our daughter called me earlier. She told me that she reported to her mother-in-law that her husband hit her. I even went to the mother-in-law's shop today.
To cause trouble again?
No, I didn't go to cause trouble. She was even the one that called me to come. Yes, we are even getting along.
You know, all you women are the same. All of you.
Is that all you could say? Oh, eat food. That's what you know how to do. Eat.
Everybody has hobby. My own hobby is to eat food. Your own hobby is to...
Look out for. I know my brother's son and us here. We will never do such a thing.
Are you calling me a liar? Is that?
Look out for. I never called you a liar. But I know my brother's son. It depends on how you see it, Okafor.
I would have believed you. But the bruises I saw on her body and her hand says otherwise. Look here. I didn't give my daughter to you as a punching bag. No, I didn't. Please, and please again. Let me believe this is a mistake. But this shouldn't happen again.
Okafor, it will happen again.
Huh?
It will not. Okafor.
It better not. I'm home. Ife Buche. Open the door. I'm home. Ife Buche. Ife Buche. What's going on here? How will she leave the house without waiting for me to come back home? Ife Buche! Open the door now! I'm back!
She has changed beyond recognition. We're always fighting, quarreling over little things. Seriously, I can't deal with this anymore. Just imagine I came back from work and Ifebuche had the temerity to lock me out of my house by this time.
You mean she did that?
Just like that.
Just like that?
Just like that. See, I'm really tired. I'm so tired of everything. Is this how I'm going to continue living?
Calm down.
She's driving me crazy.
Nah, Biko, calm down. Calm down. Hopefully we'll figure things out and everything will be fine. Just calm down.
Wait. Is this who she is? Has she been pretending all along?
Pretending all along while staying with your mother, despite the fact that she didn't even know you all those times.
Exactly. Maybe she was doing all of those to gain favor. And now she has everything she ever wanted. Now, misbehaving, doing all sort of things, quarreling with me. I don't have peace of mind.
Calm down. Calm down. I have this strong conviction that everything will be fine. Just calm down. Biko.
Please, do you have water?
Sure.
Did you see that thing that I was saying? How could she lock her husband out of the house? Is she protecting her marriage or she's ruining it?
Let me ask you a question. Is it every time they had a little problem, Anoze will call you?
Anoze did not call me. I called my in-law to say hi to him. And he started telling me all the things that has been happening.
And you choose to believe him over your own daughter, a child you raised?
No! A child you raised! Yes! Have you not been allowing her to get away with all the things she does in the house there? Have you not? Now the whole thing is bouncing back to you. You are complaining. What are you complaining for? For what?
Men! Men! All of you are just the same.
Can you see?
What about Jagwa? Oburunneya? Yes, when a daughter behaves bad, it is the mother. And when she behaves well, hey, her father's daughter. Her father's daughter.
Of course, she got all her behavior from you. Ikpeama, you are always wise. You have never been wrong in your life. Have you? If they push that girl out from that house, he's not coming to my house.
They dare not. Nobody can do that to my daughter. They dare not.
Okay.
Weakling.
Oh.
That is who you are. Weakling. Taking side with other people.
Me?
Instead of your daughter. Yes.
Wait, I'm coming for you.
I'm okay, just trust.
From work, I guess.
I am okay, just trust.
Work stress, I guess.
No, it has nothing to do with my job. Just family problems.
But I hope everything is actually fine, right?
The thing here is that my mother thinks I'm at fault. She thinks I do not care about my woman. I mean, she's seen it as if I'm very ununderstanding. I don't get it.
Don't worry, my brother. Everything will surely be fine. Meanwhile, there is this company that produces cable wire. And they basically need people to distribute the product across the country. For now, they don't have a base in the country yet.
Really?
Yes.
Are you trying to say that we have chances of traveling to China and start doing business with them?
Of course. If you secure the contract, why not?
Wow. I think it's worth giving a try.
You can say that again. In that case, we will be traveling to China by next week.
This is good news, seriously. It is good news. I mean, thank you for bringing that offer. I mean,
what are friends for? You can always count on me.
It's very good. Thank you.
So it's safe to say congratulations to us in advance.
I just put a smile on my face. I mean, I have been moody all this. Thank you.
What is going on? Yeah, Chireno, take in about the speed. Eh? It was just barely 2 days ago you told me that you were traveling. And you were just going to leave like that.
What do you want me to do? Do you want to come with me?
How long are you staying?
Well, I'm leaving the country. I'm traveling for a few months.
Yay! Few months, Acha. And you are just saying it casually as if you are going to the backyard to buy chin-chin. Eh? Moreover, you know you are going to live for a few months and you gave me that small money. How am I supposed to survive in the next few months with that thing that you gave to me?
My goodness, what is wrong with you? For you, it is about money, money, money. There's nothing else. Are you not even concerned about my safety?
No, don't charge for me.
Are you not concerned about the fact that I'm leaving you for? Are you not going to miss me?
Yeah. You see this small thing I said, now your veins in your forehead is showing. Small thing you will just be shouting and be fighting as if we are quarreling. Eh? Moreover, why am I supposed to be concerned when you barely talk to me in this house? You did not even tell me that you just said it to me. It's just been a year that we've been together and you are talking about traveling for a few months already. Who is supposed to be angry in this case?
See, please, I do not want us to fight. Alright? All you need to do is to pray for me, pray for my safety. That's all. Pray I go and come back. What is the problem with all this money thing and nagging all the time?
More and nag. Oh, wait for ya. When I decide to be sober, sure, I just jejely came here now just to tell you that the money that you gave to me will not be enough. So that I can pet you and give you a hug before you leave. Now you are calling me a troublemaker.
It's alright.
Eh?
It's alright. I will send you some money before I leave.
King of my heart. What come it's okay. Paracetamol wine. My fine husband. Please don't forget to send the money over to my Echo Bank. Udo? Hey! You are talking. Want to do that? Just travel like that and leave me here to suffer. Let me balance and watch something nice.
Madam, are you blind?
What do you mean?
No. Why do you have to send me with your eggs?
Look at Mokoro.
Is this how these girls behave in the streets? Is this how you behave in this estate, Abi?
Look at this walking trouble. On my own. I'm even complaining that you broke the egg that I'm managing. My husband gave me money and traveled. I'm managing and you broke it and you're telling me if I'm blind.
You called me walking trouble.
You are a walking trouble, Nem.
You are a walking trouble.
You are a singing trouble.
No, you are full of trouble.
You are a knocking trouble. Is this? What kind of nonsense is this?
Is this how you behave in this estate?
Is this how you behave?
Is this how you are?
How can you be walking and be making calls? Are you blind?
Are you blind? Can't you see?
Look at Mokoro.
How much is your egg, my friend? Let me pay. You want to stain my entire body with egg?
No, that egg is 8,700.
How?
Name the money.
Is this Lagos?
Hey!
It's 5,200 naira, my friend.
Give me my money for my egg.
What kind of nonsense? Do you know how much my perfume is?
Auntie, give me my money for my egg.
You're lucky I'm in a good mood. If not, I'm in a good mood. I will give you trouble.
I'm here looking for how to manage with the small money my husband gave to me. You are coming to break the small egg that I have left. Give me my money.
Take. This is madam. What you bought your egg for? Just take it, add it. Take now, madam. You know why I collect money?
Hey, auntie.
Uncle. Take before I go change my mind. What is this?
Auntie, why you dey shout? You know, yes, you see me I dey shout. I know they shout. Why you dey shout?
Now you first start to dey shout. Now you say no let you sabi shout. All of us dey craze.
Auntie.
Uncle.
I said the egg now 8,000.
Take them. That one manage them.
Hey! One more. Hi, auntie. God bless you.
Where are you from?
No verse. My house just stay down here. Now egg I go buy you.
That's all
make I dey. No, so they do. No say
like
sometimes
trouble,
you go just make trouble. You go. Fine girl. Make I carry your box.
Sorry, no vex. I dey find 12. I just come here.
Anywhere where you dey find, tell me make I dey go show you the place now. Eh? I said go carry your, bring your handbag.
I just dey come home with my sister. I
Dem.
dey stay for the other state.
You say now where you dey
One
find?
man just buy me house around. He say 12A. Now the man I be dey talk to for phone before the.
Dem buy house for you.
They buy you, my sister. Oh. I say make I just dey manage am. She never buy me car. Make I collect house first. Eh, you know say house dey appreciate.
Hi, bestie. Oh, yeah, make we dey go.
Bestie,
make I go show. Hey, where you dey find? No, you no fine.
Na Twinny
You
dey
two
dey
dey
come
like-
for Lagos.
Okay, that's Twinny.
Twinny.
Clock it.
Oh my
God. Yeah, make we dey go. Make I go show you.
I was just today about his travel. You see, I'm so happy that finally my brother's son has gone beyond his father.
That our children will succeed.
Exactly.
And surpass us.
Exactly. I even heard he's to go.
Is that the place you go to is?
That's the place. And you see, he said he has been calling you, but you're not answering his calls. Okay, man.
No, Chaloko. One strange number has been calling me.
Let me see.
But I didn't understand it.
Come.
See, oh, yeah.
That's him now. That's him. That's a foreign number.
He's calling again. Hello? Anozie. Don't be offended. Oh, number has been calling me. Man, no, I cannot buy this. We see number can happen.
Wow. I know already. I knew you will get it. Wow, you deserve it, my brother. You deserve it. You're welcome. I mean, you don't need to thank me. You will do same for me. You are more than a brother. And you deserve this, my brother. Return home. Your visa has not yet expired. Why not spend a little while there? You know, have some fun. What favor? Wow, Odogunwoke, you sure do know how to spend your money. Okay, that won't be a problem. I will contact my agent, and by tomorrow, you start searching for a befitting property for you. I know what you like. Trust me. All right. Once again, congratulations. Take care. This is incredibly beautiful. I know for sure he'll surely love it. I really have eyes for good things. Wow. Good. You like it, right?
I love it. I love it. You sure know what I like.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You do. Thank you so much. Wow.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. My God.
Oh, wow.
The bricks.
Yeah.
I love the aesthetics. I mean, this is so nice.
I'm glad you like it. Thank you very much for trusting me.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so, shall we go inside? I mean, there's so much beauty to admire inside.
Of course.
And trust me, your wife will be super excited when she sees this.
No, Mba. No. See, I do not want my wife to know anything about this place. Please, I beg you. Let this be secret between you and I. Right?
Of course, you can count on me. Your secret is always safe with me. Trust me, I won't tell anyone.
Good. You see, you're my friend. And I'll tell you the truth. I do not see any future between my wife and I any longer. Yes, I really want to do away with her, but that is by the way. But please, I beg you, keep this a secret. Let it be between you and I.
You can count on me. I mean, you are more like a brother to me.
Thank you.
Once again, congratulations. Congratulations.
I love here, so I want to just stay here for a while before I go home.
All right, no problem. So let's...
Yeah.
You are getting a hang of it gradually.
I am getting a hang of it fully, Oburo, gradually. I'm moving on a fast train. See you. Hey! I am so glad that I met you. I can't remember the last time I was this happy. You see big vein in my forehead. Why? Anger. Suffer. Quarrel. Talk. Just everything that makes me sad. But thank God I met you.
Hey. So, what about your husband? No fun? Nothing?
Who's your husband? Is that one my husband that be my wife? Achalugo. Is that one? Is that one a husband? Eh? When they are talking about men, you talk about strong. Bro, that's one. I don't even know why I got married in the first place. I'm telling you, I regret getting married.
Didn't you two date? Like, one or two? You guys didn't run one or two?
Date who? My dear, we did not date though. I was just this village naive girl that was happy about getting married to a man from the city. Oh. Yes, now, you know when you're in the village, you just hear one bobo came from the city. Bam! That was it though.
I'm so sorry. So, you married him because you want to come to the city?
Now. Hi, my dear. Just to come to Lagos. So. You know that time when I was in the city, when we were in the city, we hear all these men in the city, they are, you know, dogu.
Then they hot.
Yes, now.
Then they hot.
In my head, if I come to the city as I'm married to this man, tomorrow I'll buy Benz.
You don't make up.
Next tomorrow I'll enter play. Play no back. That's one that have been hungry me since I was a child. This man has not carried me inside.
Wait. Now night bus you take come Lagos.
But in a car we take come Lagos. We travel from village with car.
Does he even give you money?
Let me not lie, he's trying, but that is not the kind of money I need. I come need Rikita. If somebody just come near me and breathe, they will breathe money. If I cough dollars. That's why I'm just hoping that this trip that he went to in China, that he comes back with plenty of money. If not, let him just die there. There is no need to come back now. Yeah.
Oh, cheers to your morale. I like it. Thank you. You have mind. This is how you make money.
Where can I make money in this Lagos? I want to be rich.
Let's go to the nightclub.
Club what?
TV. I am home. Look at my beautiful angel. Come, come, come. I'm home. What was that behavior for? What was that embarrassment for in the presence of my friend? Is this a new method to welcome your husband that flew all the way from China to Nigeria? Really?
Can't you hear me? That China that you flew all the way from, you crossed water, Abby? Because as it is, that plane that you entered is supposed to fall inside that water. Let the fish that swallowed Jonah swallow you. Because I don't see any reason why you came back to this house. Your mates will go to China when they are coming back. You see things. Things are happening. If they're not coming back with luxurious cars, some of them even come back with private jet. Did you not see this Christmas that just passed? If you did not see Obi Kubana. You did not see Vintage. Didn't you see men of timber and caliber as they were flying into town? Giwaga, China. They were flying from Lagos to East. You went all the way to China. And you came back with this box that Lord Lugard used during amalgamation. That is what you are telling me to now come outside and open. You could not even buy me one thing. That small box of jewelry. You could not. The same box you traveled with is the same one you came back. And I should come and welcome you. I should open my hands and welcome you.
So you actually want me dead? Really?
One, you just got back. Please, you need to take it easy.
Don't tell me to take it easy. Don't tell me to calm down. How can my wife give me this kind of welcome? Flying all the way. Do you know how many oceans I crossed? In my house? Insulting me like this?
Hey, when men are mentioning house, don't count yourself. Because this one is foul cage. This, what do you mean by house? You're just here shouting up and down. My house. Is this one house? Men are talking about houses. You are coming out to show yourself. Okay, you think it's this iron you're wearing. You went to China and Chinko people gave you iron. If thunder strike now to strike that iron on you, down on the floor. You're telling me about house. Nah, Biko. You see, since that you left, I've been on a soft era. Don't come back here and come and spoil my baby girl life. I don't need it. Have you heard me?
Anemuke, you need to calm down. You just got back from a long trip. Just calm down. You need to relax.
Please, child, sit down. Let me go and freshen up and come back.
You know what? We'll see later. I need to leave. I need to run along, yes. Just take it easy.
Go see me on bye-bye.
Living with enemy. If you go not be one danger. Living with enemy. She's wicked.
Spread like malaria. Spread everywhere like the shit. Go upstairs.
The devil is here to destroy you. And you're beautiful. The devil is here. The devil is here to destroy you.
Babe, calm down. No, you didn't do well. You didn't. Calm down. Just calm down. You could have welcomed him first. Besides, he just got back. You know, men have their ways of doing things. He might just be taking his time. Take it easy on him. Baby girl, you should be nice and gentle on him. That is the only way you can assess him. Be nice and gentle, alright? Show some love. That's it. Steady.
When the cloud exists, how can you
I was actually going for a meeting.
Okay.
But it was cancelled. So I said, let me bright and see my brother's wife and know how she's doing. How are you doing?
If you go there, I'm the woman now. No problem.
Okay.
I'm good.
In Anukonu, Anozie,
Yes.
you heard from him?
Yes. He said he has come back to the country.
Huh?
And he's promised that he will be coming to see us. He brought good things for us. Even he brought something for us.
So, how about I go?
He has come back.
Do you know Igbo? Chukudalo.
Oh, Chuku.
Hey.
Eja Batoto, deka all this. Odo, please. Ifebuche, my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine.
Is anything the matter that you are talking to me that way?
Which one is anything the matter? What kind of question is that? Is that what you called me to ask me? Eh?
Are you my daughter-in-law speaking, or did anybody steal your phone?
Mama, Biko. If there's anything you need to know, call your son Anozie and ask him. And stop stressing me. Oh, Chin.
How dare you speak to my mother like that?
Namagi Woye. Oya Moro Jesus.
Ifebuche. Hey, Okotokwa phone. Okotokwa phone. Ifebuche.
No, is she maybe? Who is she that nobody will talk to her? Eh?
Listen to me, Febuche. I can take all your rubbish in this house, but I will not have you insult my mother like that. Are you okay?
No, you're shouting at me. I should have said it. No, it has been in my mind since. Oh, Anozie, your mother is now top priority to you. No, I'm asking. I can see that you prefer your mother over me. That is the simple truth.
See, I will not tell you this again. Do not dare talk to my mother in such...
Point me again. Let me bite. Anozie, what do you want to do? You want to hit me? No, Anozie, you want to slap? Go on now. See my face. Anozie, see my face. Slap me. Nobody can talk to your mother again. You're raising shoulder for me. What nonsense. Okay, you think I'm that quiet girl that you brought from the village? You want to... Yeah, if you try it, Kita, Nyegi smack down Undertaker. You want to hit who? Try it now, let me see you. Nonsense. And I know that's your mother. I know exactly what her plan is. Her plan is to ruin this marriage. That is her exact plan.
Is this what you call marriage? A marriage that you openly disrespect me, disrespect my mother, everybody that comes here you disrespect. Give me like a tout.
No, see Tolo. You that I managed to marry, you're asking me, you who is married to you too? What? Who is married to you? Does it look like I'm married to you? Yeah, Anozie, respect yourself. Respect yourself. Nonsense.
Today is your lucky day.
Yeah. See how he's bouncing, puffing his shoulder, as if he comes to fight now he can fight me. Bouncing baby boy.
Now my mama found this love for me.
I don't even know why they bought phone for that old woman. Somebody that's supposed to be in a grave and they need a phone. They require iPhone for that matter. Eh? Ha! Oh.
See me and listen to me. This is not getting any funny. That girl is going... In fact, she has gone crazy.
But she used to be closer to your mom. How come she's now saying things like this?
You want them now? Ask me. She nags over every little thing. Even talking to strangers as if they are babies. See, the truth is that I can't continue living in that house with her.
I understand your point very well. I understand. But I think you should call our people. you know, so that they can talk to her, maybe her mom, her elders, so that they can at least advise her and help you curb this menace.
What are you saying? You want me to sit down and discuss about this issue with their people? No, it's embarrassing already. I mean, to the fact that she's been reporting our case to them. So you want me to call the elders to discuss such? No way.
I get your point, my brother. But you know, you are my good friend, and there's no way I can advise you wrongly. I still insist. There are measures you can put in place to curb our excesses. Please, before you take that final step, do everything within your power to
Simeon. You want to know the truth? I will not sit and discuss anything with anybody. It is embarrassing already. I would rather tell their people to come and take her away. I'm only respecting her father. If not, she would have been gone a long time ago.
I understand, but I'm only pleading for you to take things easy. Just take it easy.
You're not in my shoes. That's why you're saying this. You're not in my shoes.
Living with enemy. If we go no be mad enjoy. Living with enemy. She's wicked. When swap ya go, the devil is here to destroy you and your beautiful home. The devil is here. The devil is here to destroy you and your beautiful home. When swap ya go, the devil is here to destroy you and your beautiful home. The devil is at work. The devil is at work to destroy you and your beautiful home. Living with enemy. If we go no be one enjoy.
Did Danusi really mean it when he said, this is not marriage? Like I'm not his wife anymore. Is that the reason this man is still out by this time of the night? He has refused to come back to his own house. Ha! Okay. Let me call him. Oh. He's not picking up. But wait for phone now. You will answer it. I will call your phone until the battery dies. Naginime. Eh? Hey! And you better just pick this call wherever you are. Because the thunder that will strike you where you are, you won't even believe it. We'll be here the whole night.
The devil is at work.
Daddy, Jesus Christ, welcome. Oga, where did you sleep last night? Am I talking to myself? No, am I talking to myself? You had the guts to sleep out last night. And I'm asking you a question. You are still looking at me.
Did you slap me?
No, I just fly aeroplane for you now. It is not slap. And if you try it, I will give you a...
Hey!
Jesus Christ. Come on.
Listen to me.
Come on.
Let this be the first and last you will try this. In fact, this will be your last. And you're leaving my house today.
I was here.
You are leaving my house.
I was here. This friend, leave this house. You don't want to leave this house. Let me die.
Mean she did that?
I'm very, very serious. She messed me up. She broke most of my valuables in my room.
And you didn't touch her?
What are you saying? I'm trying my best to avoid touching that girl because she would die in my hands. And that is why I am living here.
At this point, I don't envy you at all.
Wouldn't understand. He won't. It feels like that girl is after my life.
I mean, at this point, don't you think you need to let her people know about all of these things that she has been doing?
See, I'll just call them to come and carry her because she has bitten more than she can chew, right? And the whole thing here is that I'm not even interested in having any meeting with their family member. I'm done. Like done.
This man hasn't come home since that time.
He slept out. They confronted him and he threatened to throw you out.
You know, this is very unlike him. The man I got married to is calm, collected. I don't know how things just changed and he became a different person entirely.
He's seen another woman. I'll tell you. Yes.
No, it cannot be the same man that I got married to. I know Anozie. I know the man I got married to. Anozie is not a womanizer. He's not a woman person. So, yes.
I know men. But I will never accept it. Even when you catch them. Your husband is cheating on you. So you better stop complaining and sit up. Else, he will come back to this house someday with another woman pregnant for him. My girl, now you go lose. I tell you.
God forbid it. Not Anozie. The Anozie I know, I'm very sure he's at Simon's place. He cannot be with another woman.
My sister, you see all these hot city girls where they are nyash soft like bread. You can't they bounce. Those girls, they go down knock your husband left, right, center. They don't give a different style. Just they play. Keep complaining. Not do anything until they go come back, push you, come up for this house. Marry another woman, put on top. If you complain, you go collect bit in join.
And it's okay. What do I do? Please help me. What do I do?
Are you sure? Yes. Because for my academy, that chapter 2, you get waiting that they call her. Would you like to know?
Yes.
It is called Let's Do It My Way.
Which is?
Welcome, sir.
A bad woman can turn your life upside down. Be it a city or a village woman.
Now my mama found this love for me. Now taste and see, original love, yeah. Verified love. Now my mama found this love for village. Now taste and see, original love, verified love. Now mama found me love for village. Now taste and see.
Okay, I pray she doesn't lose that good man that God gave to her. Because if she does, she will not return into this house.
My husband, calm down. Be calming down. At least you should have talked to him. Beg the man to calm down. Instead, you are here shouting and blaming me. Is it my fault? Is it my fault?
Do you know how ashamed I was when I heard that my daughter slapped her husband?
What? My husband, please calm down. Calm down. I will go to Mama Nozie's house. I will talk to her, beg her to bake her son for us, please. Hey. Just take it easy.
Whatever you are doing, it's none of my business. You are on your own. Go to her, see how you are going to clean up your shit there. It's not my business. It's your own business.
My husband, please calm down. Calm down, everything will be okay. Eh? Hi! Ifebuche. Ifebuche, what is all this problem now? Eh?
When you talk to the air, and the air refuses to listen, when the head is cut off, the air will follow suit. Febuche, I warned you. I really warned you. But you refuse to listen to me. You have pushed the man out. Your husband, you pushed him out of the house. Now you are coming back to me for help. To do what? Which kind of help?
Papa, really, I didn't know what I was thinking. But it's not as if I even treated him so badly. Yes, it's not like I pushed him that hard that would make him just leave the house like that. It's been a month now. I can't reach him on the phone. He's not coming. He has not come back home for a month. He's not picking his call. He's not talking to me, Papa. That's not fair now.
Febuchi, you are just lucky that he didn't bring you back into this house himself. I would have sent you out to the street.
Papa?
Yes. Because I'm not ready in any way to put another man's wife under my roof. Why should I do that? I will not.
I was only just trying to make him fulfill his responsibilities as a man. There was nothing else I did that would have warranted him to leave the house without coming home for a month.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, just go and thank your God. Just thank your God that another woman has not taken him away from you.
Papa, you also think it's possible for another woman to take him away?
Oh, is there anything that is not possible? Tell me. Just go and pray hard.
Papa, please, you need to talk to him. Help me beg him. I swear, I would not disobey him again. Whenever he comes back home, I'll be very respectful. I won't fight him again. Just help me talk to him, please.
Is that a promise?
It's a promise, Papa. I promise you.
It's a promise?
Yes.
That you will change?
I will change.
Okay. I will talk to him on your behalf. But please, when you get back there, behave like your father. Don't behave like your mother.
Ah, Papa.
Yes.
Tell himself to behave too. Although I've changed, but let him be. And yes, now, it takes two to tango. If he changed me, I change too.
Oh.
Okay, Papa, just talk to him. Whatever, please. Be cool.
It's okay.
Obanje biakelenu chimu chimula haririm devenu wa chimu biakelenu demebulam hagamala kwa badamunu me kanjukelenu ichaku wa madu wa mongwa mihi kutokwa gina kudiri mawegu akune chanyi nobu isi mawu Asimu basinga bamawu na wanyi ngesilimu ni wanyi sisiye nejama we babu ya nava asimu kataka wanyi gabisi mawu noboda mubakra bekulenu buru mawu kamawu bakalenu chaku wa madu wa moputaka na mawu Asuna about you, Yamahu, the land, now him, and even more. That's true. You said that your husband had been sleeping away from you.
Yes. Yes, wise one, he has.
I never know what to move back. It's alright. Check one more. Take this.
Take it. Stop delaying the gods.
Sprinkle a little portion of it in his food. Then he will become yours forever. He will never slip away from you any longer.
Just like that. Yes. Thank you so much. Okay, Dibia.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, Dibia.
Thank you, wise
okay, Mo. Thank you.
Oh,
Congratulations. You have made it, my friend. Hold it, is for you.
I can't hold it, I'm scared. Hold it.
No, I'm scared too. What if thunder strikes me? What about me? Do you want me to die? Hold it, is for you. Hold it with steeze and composure. Thank you, wise one.
Simon, Biko, see, no. Biko, I am begging you. I swear to God, I have changed. All I'm asking is that you just tell my husband to come back home. Because I will not stand up here. This is where I'm going to kneel until my husband comes out. Tell him to come out now. Hey, Simon, Biko. Please tell him that I have changed. I want him to come back home.
Lola, you know what? Just stand up. Get up.
No, I'm not standing up from this place. I'm not standing up. Until you go inside and call my husband. Go and call him for me.
Your husband is not here. I wouldn't lie to you. He's not here. Okay, you know what?
Are you sure he's not here?
He's not here. You know what? Just stand up. I promise you. When next I see him, I'll talk to him. Yes, I'll talk to him.
Simon.
But
Simon.
for now, just stand up.
Please, see, I swear to God. Now, see, I've even joined Christian Mothers in church. I have joined choir. I don't give trouble again. Just beg him. Tell him I'm begging him. Let him come back home because, you know.
I will do just that. Once I see him, I'll talk to him. But for the meantime...
Okay, call him on the phone. Please, just call. At least let me hear his voice. Please. Call him on the phone. Biko, just call him now. Biko.
I promise I'll talk to him when I see him. His number has not been connected.
Hey, Simon, you are lying, no?
How would I lie to you? But you call him too, he doesn't connect. He doesn't connect here either. But I promise you, I'll talk to him when next I see him.
I'm not going home, I'm not going home. I'm going to stay here with you until I talk to my husband.
Just put yourself together, okay?
I'm okay.
I'll talk to him.
I'll wait here until you talk to him.
Lolo, meanwhile, can I offer you anything?
I don't want anything. I want my husband. I'm sorry, I'm not shouting.
Just put yourself
together. Ezi ogo bụ chi onye. My dear, I came to beg you. I know that what she did was wrong, but please, forgive her. People should forgive her. And you know she's still a child. Biko, umaka, mama uche ada akpakọta biko. People should forgive her.
Arifi, you don't have to do that. It is not in my power to make decisions for him. Let us wait until when he comes back.
He didn't tell you where he went to?
No, I don't know about that.
Are you sure he's still in the country? He didn't leave the country.
I don't know. He didn't tell me. Let us wait till he comes back, right?
Okay. As we are waiting, you know you are in the right position to talk about Ife Beauty. You know how kind she has been because she practically lives her life here in the village with you. She's always with you, even more than me, the mother. Every time. Mama always say house. Mama. So you know her very well. You know her. So Biko, Kaiha, Dika, I want tatara na abani.
So bad.
Biko,
no problem.
Biko.
Pardon.
You see, I can say can be a yogi. Please, my in-law, please.
Well, I know.
Okay. Hey.
being honest right now, she has been looking for you. And she has cried her eyes out. You need to understand.
I know. I just don't want to continue with that. Please.
Then at least you need to see her. Try and reconsider things. Trust me, she's a totally changed person. That's what I feel. So you need to give her a second chance. You just need to think about it and reconsider.
It's not about change. I just don't know how I feel about it.
I understand your point. But you know, change is the only constant thing in life. And at this point, I totally feel she has changed. So the onus is on you for you to give her a second chance. Kindly consider it, my friend.
Something is not right. My heart just feels heavy. Should I go ahead with a divorce?
I don't know how I made this mistake. I don't know how this happened. What if my husband doesn't come back? What do I do? Where do I start from?
Oh, Ife, do you trust me?
Yes.
Then hear this. Your husband will come back. This is his house. He can't just run away just like that. No. Remember what that man said. He told us that he will come back. So just relax. Just calm down. Give him some time, you know. I'm sure he will come back. Don't cry.
I don't know what else to do. I'm just confused.
He will come back. Alright? I'm certain.
Okay. 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 Do you want something to drink?
No, I'm good. I just want you to be good. Do you feel alright?
I'm fine. Hey, my love. I am sorry. I'm deeply sorry from the deepest part of my heart, Pico. Pico, forgive me. Forgive me. It's you I'm talking to. I know I've offended you, but I'm begging you, please. Please.
Is this one of your jokes or what? Are you?
I am not joking. I'm serious. Eh? Pico, no. I'm sorry for everything. See, I've changed though. I have changed and I don't look for trouble anymore. Eh? I even went to join Christian Mothers in church. I joined choir. I've been doing everything to make sure that I'm a good person. I swear. Eh? Pico.
You promise?
I swear to God, anytime I cause you trouble, just send me home. Pico. I cannot survive this world without you. I'm Biko.
Get up.
You're sure? Yeah. Have you forgiven me?
Yes, provided you don't go back to your old ways.
I swear to God, I will never do it again. I won't. Now I'm going to smile now. My fine husband. Obi, see, the bed is scattered. Let's arrange it small now. You know, it's been long we put this bed in place. Yes, it's been a long time.
But I'm always here.
Okay, what we'll do now is I need food, something very special. Let me go downstairs and, voila it very well so that you have energy. I want you to scatter this bed tonight. Let's call carpenter to fix it tomorrow. Oh? Biko. Obium. Welcome. My husband. Hi. Let me go downstairs. Oh, just relax. Hi. I've been very lonely.
Yeah, really?
Yes, in the night as if witchcraft used to pass here since you were not around. Shower. Oh. Don't wear anything. Manum! Ababa Manum! I'm coming. Oh.
Now my mama found this love for me. Now test and see.
She acting up.
Original love, verified. Now my mama found this love for village. Now test and see. Original love, verified. Now mama found me love for village. Now test and see. Original love, verified. Now my mama choice to be this yo. Choice my mama.
Honey, my husband.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Hey, my liver. You know for something I say you are my favorite. Come and sit down. I told you I need something very, very nice. Something special.
This smells really nice.
Do you know how long it took me to prepare this food?
I see.
Yes. Just tell me when it's enough.
Don't let me down. I have been through a lot.
It's nice.
Thank you so much for coming back.
I can't wait to
Yeah, if you devour, finish devouring this one, you devour me.
Yeah.
You will tell you. Hey,
As I found you, I know you are prepared for this love.
Now, you see this food? He's screaming, I know say. If I was cooking it, I said, this food is special made for that person. There is no other person who making it. Yes, it's for you, Adire. Enjoy it. My husband of my dreams. Take. Sorry. But the boss said it too much. Right? Sorry.
Fine.
So you were telling me what happened at the office?
Yes, this. Like I was saying, what happened at the office today? I
don't see. Sorry.
No, like I was saying, one customer came and
I don't see. It's on me. Take. Sorry. Oh, see. Dos. I don't say. Stop now. Stop. Chima. I don't say. no. Okay, remember. I don't see. What have I done? What have I done? Anita! What on to Bataya? Chimo! Hey! Where's my phone? Chimo! Hey! Chimo! I don't see! Anita! I don't see! Hey! Jesus! Intercede for me.
Hello, babe.
Hey, Anita. Hello. Anita.
Hello. Calm down so that I can hear you. How? Okay, I am on my way. I am coming right now to you. Okay, just babe, calm down. I'm coming.
Forgive me for all my sins. Jesus. Lord of Isaac. Shadrach and Abednego. Hey. Lord of Isaac. Hey, Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus. Jesus. Anita. What happened?
Does he have ulcer? Did you ask so much, baby?
I don't know. I don't know, Anita. I don't know what is going on here. I don't know. Even on the floor now. I don't know.
What happened?
The food. I finished preparing it and that thing that Papa said I should put inside. I put it inside. Yes, I added it. And we were here eating, we were talking. Just a small time, he just started coughing. I thought he wanted water. I gave him water. And before I knew it, he just collapsed.
Just like that?
Just like that. I don't know what is wrong.
Have you told anyone?
I've not told anybody.
Just me.
God first. Yes. Please. What is wrong with him?
I don't know.
Is he sleeping?
I think he's dead.
Second.
Has died.
Don't shout. Anita!
Eh?
I don't see.
Don't.
Bia.
If you stop, I am not even a doctor. I've not confirmed yet. Calm down.
Anita. No. If I had
Let me wake him up.
If I had known, I would have just stayed as a good wife. I would have just respected myself. I wouldn't have listened to you now. I wouldn't have listened to you. Wait,
I am not a bad friend.
But just listen to my husband is dead now. My husband is dead.
No, you were trying to save your husband, to win him over. That's it. I did not do anything.
This is not ordinary. I hope all is well.
Was that a dream? Did Anozie just pass? I felt his presence. What just happened? Anozie. Just could be a dream. But I felt his presence.
Your mother-in-law.
You know I can't talk to anybody right now. I can't talk to anybody. I can't answer any calls. I know it.
Don't tell her her son is dead.
No, call her.
Okay, I should
call her. Tell her that her son is dead. What do you mean by that? Eh? Okay, just... Please. Just...
Mother, calm down.
Maybe
calm down.
Our intercessor to Jesus Christ.
Ify! Calm down. Let's figure out a way to handle this. We have to hide him first.
Anozie was a good man. Oh.
Yes!
He was a good man. I was the troublemaker.
Oh, really?
And the devil now sent you.
You did not tell me you were the troublemaker.
Look, because you...
Calm down. Let's find it.
Are you expecting anyone? I need to cheat you. I am to you.
Probably went out together. But why are their phones switched off? Maybe I'm actually overthinking.
Nine. I've been calling Anozie's number. He's switched off. Eh? Even that of his wife, he's also switched off. I'm not comfortable any longer.
Is that why you're worried? The man might be busy. Maybe he's at work. Or maybe the phone is not, there's a problem with the phone. What is your problem? Even you like it when you huh?
Nah, it's not like that. With the feelings I am having.
Oh yeah? Call him again. Why I can't take phone? Call him.
Take that phone.
Call him, guys.
Nah, you forgot. He switched off. Nah, he switched off.
Don't worry, not to worry. I'm worried for them. Stop yourself. You know you have BP. You want your BP to rise.
Nah.
You want your BP to rise? Can I pay for us?
Nah, I'm having a feeling. With the feelings that I'm having, nah, I don't think that this is ordinary.
So, you want to kill yourself? Anozie is fine. The wife is fine. Everybody is fine. When did he? Ha!
Wise one, please, I'm in a mess. You really need to help me. You need to help me. Just give me anything that I can give to him so that he can come back to life. Bikono.
Please.
Go and bury the dead.
Eh?
That was his fate. We cannot reverse the hand of time.
I swear.
Wait. Smart one. Please, just give us something. Let's just give him so that he can come back to life. Yeah. He can go elsewhere and die.
We cannot reverse the hand of time.
Hey!
Go. Bury the dead.
What you told me was that it was just... It was for him to come back to me. You didn't tell me death was involved now.
Go!
Eh?
Say go.
Thank you. See, I thank you. See, I thank you. See, I thank you. See, I thank you. Eh? My husband is dead and you are saying thank you.
We'll find a way.
You all.
His luck!
No!
No! His luck killed him! You didn't intend to kill him!
I caused his death! Don't you get it?
No, you did not!
I did! I
You didn't kill him!
I know exactly what I'm saying.
Listen! His luck could not protect him. His luck, not you, my girl. You've never killed before. Stop it. Amir, just hug me. You'll feel better. Trust me. You need a hug. Okay. Come here. So I'm here. Calm down. Alright?
He's everywhere. Anita, he's everywhere. He's everywhere. He's there.
I cannot see him.
Okay.
Why are you behaving like this? Sit down. Sit down. I am here. Sit. Calm down. Okay? Okay. You feel the chair. Anita is here. I need you to go in there, get me something to drink. Offer me something first.